Okay, hello everybody. Now we have our actual game that runs, okay? And we know when we get no lives, it goes back to game over, okay? Now we want to basically make it more interesting, okay? We need to animate Pico so it's actually walking, because as you can see, when we go to here, we've got a few costumes for Pico. We can actually make it so he's walking, okay? We want to make it so as the score gets harder, we want to increase the speed of everything, okay? So our score is already a variable. So what we'll do is this. We're going to go to our ball. Okay, yes, I'm putting everything on the ball. Okay, and we're going to make a variable. We're going to basically make speed relative. Okay, so let's make a variable speed. Make a variable speed. Okay, and we're going to back to our thing. We're going to set our speed to. Now I wanted to put an operation in here. Okay, because I want my speed to be a fraction of my score. Okay, so I want my speed to be a fraction of my score. So I'm going to go my speed is, I will start our initial speed actually at 3. Okay, now what we're going to do is every time we get a score, we're going to put a test in there. So where's my scoring point? So here's my score. Okay, we're going to put a variable in here, if operations. No, not a variable. We're going to put a set score by putting operations. Okay, operations. Okay, now our current score, our current speed is 3. Okay, and what I want to do is I want to basically have we want to add a new score, and I basically want to have my current score reflect in my thing. Now I can actually go in here and I can put my score in any of these things. What I'm trying to work out in my head is what it's worth doing. So I might go my score divided by 10. Okay, that means I'm increasing speed by 1 every time. Or maybe my score by 100, that might work. Okay, so let's go my score divided by, bearing in mind my score increases by 10 every time, divided by 100. Okay, so it's going to increase it by 0.1 every time. Okay, now let's chuck that in set score, or set speed. Oh, I could have just done this actually, but change speed by, which is pretty funny. I didn't. Would have saved me so much more. Score divided by 100. Okay, now just so it's going to speed quickly, just do it by 10. Bearing in mind, every time I catch the ball, it's going to speed it by 1. Okay, ready? It's increasing it every time I catch that ball. Speed's currently at 6. Oh, I should probably give myself a few more lives, hey? So let's go back to here. Go lives. Let's go 10. This is going to get real hard real quickly. Okay. There we go. Because I'm also not changing my speed, my personal walking speed. Speed's at 9. Speed's at 13. Speed's at 18. 24. 31. Oh, you know what? I haven't got the speed in anyway. So what I want to actually do is change my speed of the falling ball, the speed of the falling ball to speed. Okay, so the falling, change by speed. Ready? Change by, remember it's a negative, 0 minus speed. There we go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. Oh, it's getting very hard very quickly. Okay, and all of a sudden I cannot play this game because it's too hard. Okay, and I'd lose my lives. Okay, so that is obviously too much. Yeah, so let's change it divided by 100. Okay, you could even just do it by a number so it gets like a little bit harder. So every time you catch the ball, it's like 0.3, and then you might be able to catch a few. Okay, but what I'd like to do, okay, is, okay, See, it comes through, speed, 3.3, 3.6, 3.9, okay? And this is more a realistic game. We can actually see how far we can make it. Okay? The problem is the ball is actually speeding up and not me, which makes my life really hard. So what I might do is I might set my speed exactly the same down to the ball, and then it comes down to who can actually move, who has the quickest reaction time. Okay, so what I'm going to do then is I'm going to change my relative speed to the ball speed. Okay, let's go back to my relative speed, me, and I'm going to put data block, and I'm going to put the speed block. Okay, that's going to be a minus. So I'm going to put that one there, and I'm going to put this in operation of 0 minus speed. 0 minus speed. Okay, therefore my personal speed will change as the ball speed. So it means I start real slow too though. Okay, as the ball gets faster, I get faster, and makes my game a lot harder. Okay, 50, 60, you see how my speed's at 5.1. Now what I want to actually do is get rid of the speed here. Okay, I don't want to see my speed, I just want to see my score, and I want to see, you know, otherwise I'm like, oh, the speed's increasing really randomly. So we're going to hide the speed, okay? We're going to hide the speed. Okay, and that should be the end of my game. Okay, so next time we're going to be talking about animating Pico. Have fun.